Over the years humans have been evolving. And so are their methodologies. Technological inventions have been a boon to mankind. Almost every sectors in present days have witnessed significant upgradations, easing our lifestyle, whether it be banking, transportation, or communication. But when it comes to domestic cooking, we still use the same method since long time. In this rapidly growing economy, our lives continue to get busier and family nuclear, resulting in wider economic, social and health impact. Food is one of the most basic physiological need essential for survival of a living being. We humans spend a significant amount of hours daily in the process of cooking. While some of us manage to cook for our own selves, there are many who find it difficult to do so, and are dependent on other means. And this is what needs to be worked upon. We would address the problem in three subcategories: social, economical, and health issues. More than 70% of the population in India still feel that preparing food for the family is women's obligation. This creates a great burden on women's shoulders, and they often sacrifices their own aspiration and goals to meet social obligations, which in most cases also leads to severe health issue. Millions of people spend several hours every day cooking using the same repetitive process since years. That much time and talent, if put towards their passion and nation's well-being, could give us solutions to some major problems. The individuals living away from home face a lot of health issues adjusting with whatever available to eat. Elderly people generally skip meals due to inability to cook. And not just them. People who get tired due to exhaustive busy schedules, do even skip meals. So, we have a solution for it. We are working to automate the overall cooking processes, without compromising with the quality and taste of the output, still making the product affordable. Our solution consists of multiple modules, thus making the product upgradable as per the needs of the customer. The machine could be controlled and monitored over internet, using smartphones with user-friendly interface, and thus can also help monitor your diet routine. Our vision is to create a better and more convenient lifestyle of people, by providing such solutions, thus enabling them to focus on what matters more.